Aman Jaglan from Poland chose STAD Solution for learning manual and automation testing. Let's hear from him.
Hello, it's Aman Jaglan from India and currently studying in Poland, and I wanted to talk about the STAD Solution Institute, in which I learn about software testing, manual and automation testing. In automation, after the end of my manual testing, I started my automation testing, in which I learn about Java, Postman, and MySQL software. The time difference between Poland and India is quite differ, like 4 hours 30 minutes, but the scheduling of the time was perfect for me. Also, the practical knowledge I gained was a lot, in this course, because we needed to install different apps like gaming app or website from different companies, in which we needed to find some defect, fault, error. So it was all like great experience, and for those who wants to learn about software testing, manual automation and all, and those who belong to IT field, I will highly recommend this institute. The name STAD Solution, and for me it's 5 out of 5.